Hey, how are you all doing? Are you all good? Everyone, we're back to tackle another math challenge. So, let's get started. All right. In this question, as it's clear, we have these circles of different colors that are combined together. Reza, are you there? Esper, well, terror. Thank you for being specific in your question. We have here 3 circles with different colors that have been joined together. Now, if 2 are added together again, here we have 3 expressions. If we want to solve this, we can use a technique. Let's use the pocket. How about we consider each of these circles as a variable? So here we have 3 variables with 3 equations. We solve exactly 3 equations of 3 constraints. And we're going to give you the amount that should go inside each of these circles. Let's give it. Okay, so I'm going to put an X in this circle. I'm going to put a Y in this. So wherever it's purple, I'm going to put an X. Wherever it's orange, I'm going to put a Y. And for the green one, I'll call it Z. Alright, now I'm going to solve these. So, these 3 expressions will look like this. X plus Y equals 12. Yeah, plus Z equals 20. And Z plus X equals 8. Alright, let me see what I'm going to do. I'm going from bottom to top. Now let me tell you how it works in the city. So here we can find Z. How do we do that? We take this and add a negative X to it. So we have Z plus X plus negative X equals 18 minus X, which simplifies to Z equals 18 minus X. Alright, I found Z based on X. Now let's move on to solving it. So as I said, Y plus Z equals 20. Alright, so I found Z based on X. Now, let's solve this equation above. So, as I previously mentioned, Y plus Z equals exactly 20. I'm removing Z, adding to Z, images will be shown. Here I'm adding this to negative Z. Okay, I'm putting up the images. You can add a plus sign to a minus sign, or you can add a minus sign to a minus sign. That the pictures below the pictures, oh my, the disaster. Minus 20. Well, I have this GPA for a while too. What am I going to do now? I'll put it in this high GPA. Alright, I'll solve it this way. Let me write it down here. I am interested in you. It equals 12. I'm getting rid of Y. What do I become? I get rid of it. I blame this on negative interest. Well, it's equal to X times the interest of Y minus Y. So, 12 minus Y equals X, which means X equals 12 minus Y. 12 minus 20 plus Z. So, X equals negative 8 plus Z. X equals negative 8 plus 18 minus X equals X plus 10. 12. Negative 20 plus Z, which means my X equals negative 8 plus Z. Therefore, X equals negative 8 plus 18 minus X equals X plus 10. In conclusion, this is the result. Let us consider that 2x equals 10. I'm going to carefully multiply this by 2. X equals 5. This is from x. Now I can substitute this to find Riddle. 5 equals 12 minus y, which is equal to y. 12 minus 5 equals 7. This is it. Oh my. Take my hand, I'll put it here. 7 is equal to 20 minus z, which is equal to z. 20 minus 7. Z is equal to 13. I was able to get x. I have to get z. X also became 5. What do I do? I'll put this 5. So, y became 7. Exactly. 5 plus 7 equals 12. So I need to set y to 7. And I found z to be 13. The equation is 20 minus z equals 13 plus 5. I was able to solve this question very easily. Support us by liking, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.